One of the things that a lot of people who get into this work bump into in kind of the exact spot that you're in, which is I'm practicing a lot and I'm not in relationship, right? So you're like in this kind of lab of everything's just going to kind of mushroom right on up. So feel it all, believe very little of it. Feel it all. You give a lot of content to your thoughts as if they actually mean something. And they really don't, my love. It's just, again, I'm quoting David here, it's like digestion. Like your thoughts have kind of been pre-installed from your mother, your father, your society, your history, right? We think the same thoughts and we don't actually choose most of our thoughts. But we can choose what, like our relationship to our thoughts. So form is the feminine for all of us. Form is the feminine. Emotions, thoughts, actions, blah, 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 form, right? When we step into form as if it's, and start to believe it, we're totally untethered to consciousness, right? Now, I know this isn't a men's group and we're all, most of you are here to like explore your feminine more, which is great, but that does not mean that you need to detach from consciousness at all times. It's really a choice to like, okay, I'm tethered to that which is not changing, and I'm feeling everything in me and around me. But there's some part of me that's witnessing me thinking these things. And it's hard to do. I would just keep giving yourself lots of, I guess the bottom line for your practices, in my opinion, is going to be feel it all every day as it comes up every day, right? Like as it's happening every day, right? Feel it with no thought. With no thought, as much as possible, and know that the thought that what you're finding out about yourself has always been there, and it's a humbling experience to learn who we really are underneath the things that we do to hide it. Your thoughts are not real. They're digestion of your past. Like they're just gonna happen. If you're just like, I'm feeling a little gassy or whatever it is, right? Oh, I'm a little bloated. It's nothing more than that. Your thoughts are nothing more than that. And when we make our thoughts more than that, I mean, I'm talking about non-productive, looping, habitual thoughts. I'm not talking about, hey, I'm curing cancer, I'm, writing a play, or I'm doing something, I'm talking about the habitual shit.